In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add payment method to your TikTok account. This is essential for unlocking features like purchasing coins to send virtual gifts during live streams, supporting your favorite creators, or boosting your content through paid promotions to reach a wider audience. To add your card, simply head to TikTok. On your profile page, you want to tap onto these three lines and head to Settings and Privacy. Select Security and Permissions. Inside the section of Permissions, head to Browser Settings. Select All Payment Information. Tap on Add New Card. You want to enter your card number and expiration date and tap on the Confirm button. Your card will successfully get added to your TikTok. You can add as many cards you wish to. Well, that's how easy it is to link your card to your TikTok account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.